Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today I want to mention something about ZecheX, big news from the guys, from the founders, directly into the channel Bitcoin Daily. For all of your bounty hunters outside, guys, ZecheX give the opportunity to make his real deal some extra cash. Just look into it. This is what they offers you guys and us. ZecheX big counter offer, 10 lucky winners to be chosen, a total reward of $25,000 each. Winners get $2,500. Selection will be on the basis of the amount of liquidity stake and the number of active referrals. Also make sure you are connected with the official Twitter and Telegram. So you just have to be connected with Twitter and Telegram, and the amount of liquidity stakes and active referral would be choose to found the winner. Minimum criteria to qualify the offer is $100 or above staking. And guys, you have to stake on ZecheX. I will show you why. So the winners get listed, will be posted on Twitter website and the Telegram channel, guys. And why you should stake this token, why you should stake it, I show you. You get here 7.89 monthly, just minimum $100 until 38.2% 2 monthly. Guys, this is a huge opportunity. Just think about it. And for all of you guys outside who are not only bounty hunters and also in marketing very strong, in each tier here you also receive extra money for everyone which is invested into ZecheX. Guys, don't miss out this opportunity. Check their website ZecheX.com. Check their Telegram group. They have right now over 6,000 members. You can look here directly into it. 6,800 right now members. And on Twitter they are also for sure already 200 followers. So that's why they give you this huge opportunity as a bounty hunter to make you some extra cash. Don't forget, join ZecheX. And until next video, I wish you the very, very best profits, guys. And see you later, alligator. Bye.